Welcome the R channel. Today we how to deploy your program with the Institute of International Education, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying your program with the Institute of International Education, start by visiting their official website. Familiarize yourself with the various programs they offer by navigating through their main menu. Determine which program aligns best with your goals and audience. Once you have selected a program, locate the application guidelines provided on the website. Read through the eligibility criteria to ensure you meet all necessary requirements. Prepare your program proposal by outlining your objectives, target demographic, and implementation strategy. Make sure to include how your program aligns with the mission of the Institute of International Education. Gather any required supporting documents, such as budgets or letters of support. After compiling your proposal and documents, complete the online application form accessible on their site. Double-check your application for accuracy and completeness before submission. Submit your application within the designated timeframe to ensure it is considered. Once submitted, await confirmation from the Institute regarding your application status. If selected, follow any further instructions provided in their notification email. Engage with them to clarify any questions or concerns during the deployment process. Be proactive in communicating updates or changes related to your program. Utilize resources from the Institute to enhance your program's effectiveness and reach. Finally, prepare to evaluate your program's impact upon completion and gather feedback for future improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.